This is the HKC 55 circular saw, and it can do everything a normal circular saw can do, and a whole lot more. You can use it just by itself without the track, in which case you do like you normally do. Grab your tape measure, make your mark, grab your T-square, make your line, and then make your cut. But to be even faster and to cut the straightest lines possible, you can hook the saw into the FS track by simply sliding it on and clipping it in. And then the saw stays in place and it's spring loaded and auto retracting. And then on the bottom side of the track here, you'll see there's two stoppers. One is fixed and one is adjustable. And you can adjust that stopper all the way up to 60 degrees on both sides with positive indents at common angles all along the way. And then you can just measure and make your mark, and then you can grab your saw on track, butt it up against the stopper so you know you're at 90 degrees, set it against your line and make your cut. Giving you a perfectly square and clean cut. You can also do compound miter cuts by setting the angle of the track and the angle of the saw, and then butting the track up against the stoppers and making your cut. And then if you need to do really long cuts, it also fits on all the other Festool tracks as well. The blade guard has two cool features to point out. First, you can retract it by using this little thumb lever right here. And second is this piece right here, which when moved back into the cutting position, turns into a riving knife to help prevent the wood from coming together and causing kickback. You can easily adjust the height of your cut by pinching right here and moving the base of the saw up and down and using these two levels to set the depth. The bottom one is what you would use if you're using the track, and the top one is what you would use if you're not using the track. To change your blade, you pull down the fast fix lever, which locks your blade, and then grab the Allen key, and then you can loosen the nut and change the blade. Now this one is the cordless version, but you can also get one with the power cord.